Alright, welcome guys. In solving this question, some people will solve it like this and get the answer. Some say, so solve this first and write 1, that is 7 times 1 divided by 30, plus 30 divided by 2 minus 5. Then they'll multiply this and say 7 plus 30 divided by 2 minus 5. 7 plus 30, that's 7 divided by 2 minus 5. They will divide this and get 18.5 minus 5. When they minus it, they will get 13.5 as the answer. But this answer is wrong. This is the wrong answer. In solving this question, we're going to make use of order of operation. That is, we have PEMDAS, where P is parenthesis, E exponential, M multiplication, D division, A addition, and S subtraction. Alright, so here if you find that, if you watch, we have parenthesis here, so we're going to solve it first. So we're going to have bracket 5 minus 4 plus 30 divided by 2 minus 5. So solving it first, we have 1 here, give us 7 times 1 plus 30 divided by 2 minus 5. Then if we look at our order again, we have the division here and we have multiplication. So we can solve this. 7 times 1, 7, plus 30 divided by 2, 15 minus 5. So we now have 7 plus 15 minus 5. Here we're having addition and subtraction. We fall from left to our right. Alright? So we are going to have this plus this will give us 22 minus 15. Then when we subtract it, we are going to get 17 as our answer. So the right answer to this operation is 17.